how you love me electric, like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric.
Guys, we're on our way to Gangneung. It's time for a little road trip snack. Woo!
I would say Ali is the tortilla chips because they're blue. Then I would say Kelly is the salt and vinegar because she's got two little flavors to her.
Only two.
Only two. And then the palm crisp and the salsa. Who's who?
I feel like you'd be the chunky habanero.
That's so true. Because I'm chunky and funky. This is gonna save me. This is gonna slay me.
We're officially in Gangneung. We're just sort of like in a parking lot now, but the BTS Spring Day bench is somewhere around here.
Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. No, I got you forever wherever I go. I feel like.
Show your shells. My next craft project is making a shell bag.
A shell what?
Bag.
Ooh! Kelly looks like she's meant to be by the sea, her little sea outfit. Cutie.
Found heaven in your eyes, tell me it's all mine, holding on too tight. You're like a neon sign in a starless night, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me, like I'm all you ever gonna need.
We've made it to Gangneung. The weather is perfect, actually. I'm a fan of like a little bit of a faint breeze. You guys, it's my birthday on Sunday. Isn't that weird? Never did I think I would be like living in Korea, turning 25, surrounded by people that like love and care about me. Not in a depressing way. I like these friends a lot. And I'm feeling a little grateful about it. So soothing. Gonna go. Zoo, 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 supernova.
Over. Stop. Hyper. Stop.
Oh, and I'm hot over the moon, you know that you got me good. I'm not even mad, I need you more than I should.
Dinner time. Or kimchi hot pockets.
Kimchi hot pockets.
We just had a little dinner for night one. We're gonna go to the mart now and go shopping. Well, actually, we're gonna go for a walk first because it's so beautiful outside. This is what it's like to be out with the three of us.
Me too. I forget totally.
In your eyes, tell me it's all mine, holding on too tight. You're like a neon sign in a starless night, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me.
Yay.
Beach crabs.
My bitch pose nasty.
With no legs.
She's legless. Legolas.
Legolas.
Look at her nails though, the black tips. These two are like having a moment. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. I am in fact.
Yeah.
You know how it is. Tommy or no Tommy? Tommy, yes.
And I, yeah, that way one for the fabulous too. Jesus. Guys, I came out to brunch. It's Saturday, day before Allie's birthday. And look at the sandwich. She's massive. Me for scale. Just smash. Tie yourself. It's raining, just like our Busan trip.
Honestly, lucky girl syndrome. It was so busy when we got here. Like people sitting down. People just got up and left as soon as we got our ice cream. So cheers.
Cheers to that. It's very good. Highly recommend tofu ice cream. You guys get a couple feet again.
What can we say?
And we have a couple ice creams.
Yeah.
Love the ocean smell. Smell of the sea, yeah.
I don't wanna wake up.
Tippity doodles.
Start this moment, I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what.
Dinner photo booth.
And give my dreams life. I put it all on the
for a little snack and watch the sunset. We got some salmon kimbap, some French fries, and Allie got noodles.
Hell yeah. I just cried also. Slay.
Yeah, Allie just cried.
For gratitude reasons, not for sad reasons. Kelly, summer goddess.
I've been saying Kelly's like a mermaid that came out of the sea.
Watch me, I can circle the globe and do it again.
On this way.
Inside this moment, I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. Show you what I'm made. And if my dreams life, I'll put it all on the line. Just like I'm young, wild, and alive. I'm young, wild, and alive. I'm young, wild, and alive.
Slay. Get into her minifan, making it happen.
On medium.
It doesn't need much. We're just like doing a bunch of stuff. Yeah. Our resident grill mommy. She's grilling away. We have all our meat. Oh.
Henry sausage.
That's a big boy, actually.
That is a big boy. Aren't they giant?
Oh, life hack. Always grill your kimchi. Otherwise, you'll have a sad time. It's so good
I
grilled.
should put some of this garlic in.
The mandan is going so slowly, though.
I know, I'm
Ooh,
like-
that is a big... There's a big brain in there.
Just the rest of it. Fuck not.
That's about to be...
Thank God.
Christine's our new grill daddy.
Girl daddy. It's not easy breezy.
What part?
Easy peasy.
So
Easy
here's the
V
story.
doesn't come from me.
Yeah.
She's a real lady.
Cinematic mode.
Girl, where you at?
You're a fan.
I'm not sure.
It's working.
Oh my God, you guys, this is crazy. Can I swipe or should I
No, just press play.
Oh, it's a video. Okay.
I think they said press play. Yeah.
Oh, I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Told me that. I think party drinks is what I'm having. Here's your one. Wow.
She's still
No, I actually did.
Wow.
Oh God, there's so many born in the same year. No, I know their birth signs. It's okay. I can do
Did you
it.
do it in order?
Yes, 2x2. One missing. Okay. I bet it's Miss Girl Suspect herself.
The 8. Yes. And I'm looking at it upside down through a phone.
Okay. So then I know 2 languages.
Okay, what we writing? What we writing?
Trunk is a treasure chest. Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
No one's done anything this nice for anyone in the history of Friends. I swear to God.
Oh
my God, what the heck? Oh my God, you guys, the effort. I literally want to fucking cry right now. I literally.
Oh.
Don't cry.
Wait.
So
Finish.
I'm sorry.
Do you need help carrying the other stuff, Allie?
I think it's okay.
Okay.
You want to carry my tears? How about that?
One more task awaits your hands. A lock that you must breach. The answer could lead in one direction or maybe 17. A lost wallet. Wait, I didn't do a lost wallet.
To be 5, 4, 1 about Niall
okay.
ICAC. You were like, stop. You've already figured it out. I wrote it down alone. Okay.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allie. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish. Thanks, you guys. Make a wish, girl.
Leo, I'm sorry.
Reunited at last.
Leonited.
I'm so sorry.
It's Ellie's birthday! Happy birthday! She's 25, so she's too old for Leonardo DiCaprio. Shucks. I missed my window. It's time for us to clean up, so we gotta check out of our Airbnb, and then we're gonna hit some last spots in Gangneung before we leave. This is the best weekend ever, you guys. Happy birthday! Bye, bye.
처럼 난 따뜻한 햇살 아래 깨어나버린 flower 어느새 너지 all mine 깨어날 수 없는 예쁜 꿈만 같아 피어나 난 내게 다가와 babe 시간이 갈수록 전부 다 시들기 전에 Start of a love boy You got my heart so 피어나 난 내게 다가와 설레게 하면서도 편한 느낌이 들어 낯설은 기분이야 baby 너만 이렇게나 빛날 수가 있어 나 영원히 원해 너와 가래 따뜻한 햇살 아래 깨어나버린 flower
You want a belly rub? Yeah. Look at all the love.
없는 예쁜 꿈만 같아 피어나 난 내게 다가와 babe 시간이 갈수록 전부 다 시들기 전
For lunch. Your burger. We've just arrived back in Seoul. Allie's parking to drop us all off. Thank you, Allie. Bye. Love you. The drive was very long. She was like 4 hours because we had some traffic. But we had a fun trip. Yay. We had a great time. Me backpacking literally as you're filming. And next weekend, we're going to Weavers Con. So we will have some new footage for you. 2 days. Henry got a ticket for Saturday. So we're all going together. So stay tuned for the Weavers Con vlog. We'll see you next week. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Stay always. Happy birthday, Ellie.
Thank you.
피어나 난 내게 다가와